Want to be safe and share locations with your friends? Good evening from the top of the world. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to share location with anyone that you prefer on Google Maps. So at first, you're going to open Google Maps, and anywhere you are just going to click on the top right corner. This is a profile icon, and then you're going to go to location sharing right here. You're going to click on that, and after you reach on this page, you're going to click on this blue button where it's written share location. So after you click on the person that you want to send, or you can even send it from messages or chats, or even copy to clipboard. So they will ask you if you want to share with a link, and if you do, you can click on share, and if they want access, you just give them. And if you want them to share your location for a certain time, you can even increase or decrease it here. And this is how you share location with your friends or anyone that you prefer on Google Maps. So if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.